Here's my product review on the Arbonne protein shake. Now, I am an Arbonne consultant, so my review is a little biased, okay? But first of all, what I want you to know is that I absolutely love this protein, and I hope that you will too, and I'm going to give you some real honest opinions of it. So I did purchase these as an Arbonne consultant. I get a discount, and then of course you can purchase these or just listen up and hear what I have to say. First of all, let's talk about the taste, the texture, and the mix, how it mixes. I love, love, love the taste of these products, protein shakes. They, to me, have a very smooth texture. Some people that are really sensitive to texture might think that they are a little bit, what's the word? They might be just a little bit gritty, but I don't think so. If you are sensitive to grit, like a lot of people are sensitive to texture, then one of the things you can do is add a half a banana or even a slice of avocado, not a lot of avocado, or a slice of avocado. I have found that our meal replacement shake, because it has avocado oil in it, the texture is much smoother. So if you do deal with that, then you might want to consider that. It is a vegan protein, so that means it does not have any whey in it, any meat byproducts, okay? That's good if you are lactose intolerant, or if you're sensitive to whey. A lot of people say, drinking a protein shake makes me feel bloated, and a lot of times it's the whey that's in the protein shake that makes them feel bloated, not the protein shake. It's not all protein shakes, right? So this is we have three different levels of protein, and for the sake of this video, I'm only going to talk about two. I'm going to talk about the Simply One, because that is our low carb, low sugar. It has less than 1 gram of sugar and only 1 carb. So very nice, very low in that for people that want to be keto. Stick to that. It's great for that. And it's a pea, cranberry, and rice protein. So it has all the amino acids that you need in a complete vegan protein, which I love, love, love. The meal replacement shake is a true meal replacement because of the avocado oil in it. And it has the pea protein in it, but it also has hemp protein and quinoa. So it has a little bit of different variety. Still all the amino acids that you need for your muscles, but a different mixture. So those are the differences in the products. So what I love and how I've used these products is after I've played a good game of pickleball and I need that muscle recovery and just to fill me up because I'm hungry, that's when I mix my protein shake up. Love that after exercise. They do keep me full for quite a while. I mean, I can drink a protein shake and stay full for hours, like 4 or 5 hours. So to me, they're very filling. So that's something good, right? I like to add, if I'm doing either the chocolate or the vanilla, I like to add blueberries or strawberries, give it that fruit taste to it. Do love that. And if I am drinking the coffee protein, we have a coffee protein in both the meal replacement and the Simply One, then what I like to do is just mix it with some almond milk, shake it up really good with some cold ice, and drink it that way. And it's so delicious. The coffee, here's how I like to use the coffee protein. If I'm on the go, if I have an early morning meeting and I'm on the go, I'll mix this one up and take it with me in the car. And it's a great way to get my breakfast in without having to add a lot of carbs into my morning and save time. I don't go through the drive-through, right? I'm not tempted to go through the drive-through. And it's a great way for me to be satiated without all the calories and the artificial stuff in my breakfast. Speaking of artificial, there is no artificial flavors, sweeteners, or colors in any of our proteins. So we don't have any of that, which is great. We have 20 essential vitamins and minerals, so that's very, very awesome. So what I've noticed, I guess, with the protein shake that I love the most is the taste. And I also love the fact that it keeps me full, and the fact that the Simply One is a low carb, low sugar. That to me means a lot and says a lot for me. So lastly, if you are looking for any protein powder, take a look at this protein. I'd love to hear your reviews. If you've used it, comment. If you've not used it, try it. You can find me on Facebook, Mary Burleson. I'm in Mary Burleson everywhere, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. That's me. So I would love to invite you just to give me your review, your thoughts on it. I will say this, that people that have tried it will say, I'm shocked at how good it tastes, especially for a vegan protein powder. So that's what people love, and that's what I think you'll love. Find me on Facebook. Do me a favor, share this video, like this video, and comment.